He doesn't look angry. He just looks focused.
Still winning. 12 minutes left now.
That's dish soap, not our shampoo.
So sorry, I didn't see you there at all.
We're still winning! Only 8 minutes left now. Hey! That was probably directed at me, wasn't it?
Sir, my dad made a mistake. He's so sorry.
David, please focus on shopping today, okay?
I'm completely focused. Completely.
This is actually the best part of shopping.
Yes! They nearly scored! Nearly!
David, we are shopping. David, we don't actually own a cat.
Right. I knew that.
He's gonna knock something over, I can tell. Dad, that's 5. We only needed 1.
I definitely counted. That's fine.
David, please stay focused. We need this done.
We are winning right now. 1-0. 1-0!
I can lift this. Just watch me. Leo, that's only 2 kilos. Anna, slowly look now. Leo, that's the same instruction. He doesn't look angry. He just looks focused.
Still winning. 12 minutes left now.
That's dish soap, not our shampoo.
So sorry, I didn't see you there at all.
We're still winning! Only 8 minutes left now. Hey! That was probably directed at me, wasn't it?
Mum, Dad took the wrong man's cart.
I can see that, Leo. I can see that, Leo.
He looks very, very angry right now.
Dad, he really doesn't. Mum, I'm gonna stand right behind you. Sir, my dad made a mistake. He's so sorry.
You are so brave. I really like that.
I'm really sorry. I wasn't paying attention.
Put the phone away, friend.
He called Anna brave. What about me?
Leo, you are brave too.
You look very cool, honestly.
I know. I really am.
I'm Marcus. I coach young athletes.
Sophie Chen, lovely to meet you.
He just helped her. Nobody even asked him to.
I judged him wrong before I even looked.
Do you always help people here?
I try to. It costs nothing.
You coach young athletes, Marcus?
Every weekend. I love watching them grow.
How much can you actually lift?
More than this aisle. Probably.
We actually lost. In the very last minute.
You missed the shopping and the match.
Yes, brilliant. Thank you, Marcus. You saved me. I really would have fallen.
That's what I do, friend.
Dad, are you okay? We heard everything.
I'm fine. Marcus caught me.
You really are kind. I knew it all along. I'm helping too. This is very important work.
Thank you all so very much. Really, all of you.
Leo, try holding this. Go on then.
I've got it! Very easy.
She's been practicing. I can tell.
She has not been practicing. Did she just? Mine's actually a bigger weight.
You're both strong. Keep going. Always. Both of you.
Can we get a photo, Marcus?
Of course. Come here, everyone.
I look like his key ring next to him.
You really do, David.
Marcus, will you be here next Saturday?
Every Saturday. Same time.
Goodbye, Marcus. You're really such a good person. Big people aren't actually scary, Dad.
No, they really aren't.
I knew he was kind. Eyes show it.
You were right, Anna.
I nearly missed everything good today.
Nearly. But you didn't, David.
Can we go back next Saturday to find Marcus?
Same time next week. And phone stays home.
I'm so glad today happened the way it did.
I carried the heaviest bag. Leo, it had cereal in it.
Lunch is in 40 minutes, Sophie.
Then please put the shopping away.
Why were you scared of him, Dad?
I looked at him wrong, Anna.
Kindness is always bigger than how you look.
Saturday treats are the best.
My bowl's bigger. Best day ever, honestly. Leo, not the point today.
Being afraid of Marcus was wrong.
You fixed it. That's what counts.
I really hope Marcus is having a good day. And next Saturday, I'm definitely lifting that dumbbell.
This photo is going on the fridge forever.
I pushed his cart halfway through the shop.
You really did, David.
Dad, next time just look up from your phone. And next Saturday, I'm definitely lifting that dumbbell.
Good morning, in the end.
A very good morning, David.
I'm definitely the coolest one in this photo.
Never judge anyone by the way they look.